Alright, I think I got what I needed to try to get this flywheel off. Has a little pointed tip on the end. Now this can flare that out, so you don't want to hit too hard on it. I've got this screwdriver kind of wedged in here, not around the magnet side. The idea is that I'm just kind of putting some pressure in there. Turn it around a little bit. Not all of them have a good, easy to access block like this one does. Oh my. I think it did it. Woo! Oh, hallelujah. Where does that say? I don't know. But here we go. We got the points now. Gonna that's clean. I was surprised. I must have had a air compressor, because this is pretty clean. All right, I'm just gonna spray in there again if I can find my thing. All right, and again, the enemy of points is oil and grease. The Homelight 150 that I was rebuilding, I got it going, but then it wouldn't keep going, and it would start and then just stop. And so I decided to go ahead and check the points. Points look great shape, but they were off. This one, a lot of the chainsaws are set to point 015. Now they won't all say that. Some will, some won't. Now I'm starting to check these condensers, because I've got a tester now. So I'm gonna pause this and go get that, and then I'll be back. All right, we're gonna get into it. I got my capacitor tester. This is just something I want to start doing just to kind of get an idea. Let's see, I've got this new, I say capacitor, I mean that's really what it is. So this one gives me a reading of point 0.210 or 0.211. The one in the Homelight 150 was 0.18, and I got a good spark out of that. So I'm trying to get an idea about what these need to about run on. I'm going to start doing that from now on. You're going to have to undo it. I didn't get a good reading when I tried to read it with it attached. It's kind of, I think, like when you're checking a generator as well, capacitor. Okay, so there's a little washer on there. Two little washers. Okay. This is the one for the capacitor. We'll check that out. Make sure I don't want it to touch any of the ground, because I'm going to touch the ground to the actual capacitor. And we're getting a 0.189. So that's actually a little bit better than the Homelite 150. That gave me a good spark there. So we'll put that back on. We're going to call that good. Yeah, that does not need to be off when you're adjusting the points. Now I'm assuming that the coil is good. The reason I'm assuming that is because there's no cracks or anything. I have had bad coils before. An old maul chainsaw I was working on had to get one of those rebuilt, especially rebuilt because they aren't around. I need to put that one together one of these days as well. Oh man. I'm gonna pause it while I put that back on.